Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to demonstrate the circular cylinder, which is the most simplest curved 3D shape, exactly like how the prism is the most simplest polyhedron. In fact, we can draw a direct comparison between prisms and cylinders by seeing that a cylinder is simply a type of prism where the opposite ends are continuously smooth, so circles or ellipses. Because of this, the surface area can be seen as two circles or ellipses that represent the two bases, but one big rectangle that represents the wrapped around height, as opposed to the separate rectangles we got with the normal prisms. The volume, however, is still basically the same as the prism with no extra changes, as the base would be the area of the circle or ellipse. So for the most simplest type of cylinder with a circular base, the area would be pi r squared, and so the volume would be pi r squared times height. Although we showed the surface area visually earlier, we did not derive an exact formula for it, but we can see once the surface is folded into the cylinder that the length of the rectangle would have to match the circumference, and the height or width would simply be the height of the entire cylinder. So the surface area would be 2 pi r times height, the area of the wrapped around height, plus 2 pi r squared, the area of the two circles. Now that we have figured out the volume and surface area, including exact equations for those quantities, we can figure out the cone next, which is basically a cylinder that tapers off at the endpoint or apex. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.